Well, hey everybody, I'm Jesse Munson with Munson Boats, and I'm excited to show you our newest delivery. It's a 34-foot Pac-Man landing craft. It is Coast Guard inspected for 20 passengers plus 2 crew. It's going to be used locally here in the San Juan Islands, and I'm excited to show you guys some of the features on this boat and tell you more about it. Come on board. The bow of the boat is outfitted with a 12-volt Lumar windlass for anchoring, flip up, flip down seats for passengers, and removable seat lockers that can be taken on and off the boat as needed. When the seat lockers are removed, there's 18 feet of forward deck space here and enough room to haul a full-size pickup truck if necessary. The boat also features port and starboard boarding doors, which are a popular feature on many Munson boats. Ease of boarding from the dock and getting things in and out of the boat without beach access. One of the most important features on any Munson boat is the bow door. This boat is outfitted with a hydraulic bow door, which is silent in operation and very quick to activating. Tell us more about the bow door feature here on this boat, Justin.
Like Jesse said, this is electric over hydraulic bow door, stainless steel cylinders. We rate this bow door for 2,000 pounds suspended, 4,000 pounds with the leading edge on the beach.
The full width cabin on this vessel is elevated 10 inches above the main deck to provide excellent visibility over tall cargo loads, as well as people moving around on the front deck. And one of the things I like about these Coast Guard inspected vessels is these extra large doors for bringing equipment and gear into the cabin. The cabin is outfitted with seating for 6 people. One of the things that's unique about this boat is that they want to be able to haul passengers during the peak summer months where they can use the front deck and then cargo as well. At the helm here, we've got a flush-mounted Garmin display, bow door controls, searchlight controls, VHF radio. And one of the other things that we outfitted this boat with was Zipwake interceptors. Tell us more about the Zipwake, would you, Justin?
So like Jesse says, the vessel is outfitted with the Zipwake dynamic trim control and 450 millimeter trim tabs. The dynamic trim control works all the time in the auto position. It makes a more comfortable ride, keeps the boat more stable, more fuel efficient, and also controls the pitch and yaw of the vessel automatically without any interaction with the display. The boat is also equipped with a Webatso AT40 diesel-fired cabin heater. This vessel has 10 gallons of diesel on board, which provides about 60 hours of runtime for that Webatso AT40.
The stern of the boat is outfitted with port and starboard rigging lockers, an engine guard, port and starboard swim steps near the water line, twin 300 horse Yamaha outboards, and an aft tow bit. All right, everybody, hey, thanks for watching our video. Follow us on our website at munsonboats.com, the world leader in high-speed landing craft. And until then, it's just another day at the beach. Thank you.